The moment everything is tidy, I climb up onto the bed to smooth things out. I take the cover and spread it carefully, pulling it from side to side so it falls evenly. Then I run my hands across the surface, gently pressing down, making sure every corner looks neat and straight. It's such a simple routine, but I really enjoy it. The motion is calming, and it feels good watching the bed slowly transform from a little messy into something perfectly arranged. I smooth out every last wrinkle, stepping back for a moment just to admire how balanced and clean it looks. When everything is in place, there's just one last touch I love to add. I reach for my Fit plush toy. It always makes me smile. I set it right on the bed as the finishing detail, giving the space a cozy, personal feeling. And just for fun, I wave it toward you, like it's saying hello. That's it, my bed is done, and the room feels so much brighter and more welcoming. It's amazing how even small routines like this can change the whole mood of a space. Do you also have little rituals that make your home feel more comforting? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you can join me for more cozy cleaning.